guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is JYOTI and today we are going to do a festival makeup look. To start with the makeup, I am going to do my eyebrows first. For my eyebrows, I am taking this Benefit foolproof powder. I have this from so many years and it works like magic. For that, I am using this angle brush. So nice. So eyebrows are like, I'm going to do the same on the other side. Looks a little crazy, but it all will come together. I am taking this Revolution eyebrow wax. It looks like this. A spoolie, just to make sure everything is in place, everything is blend. I am going to use a Hot Mess from MyGlamm and this shade, which is so light. We're going to use this shade. Stella. It's a nice color. Light highlight for best for the eyebrow thing. It will make your eyebrow pop a little bit more. And now we are going for the eyes. For that, I will be taking an angle brush from Quartz. It's PF08. This is one of the best brush. I can suggest you the brushes you should purchase for yourself. So now we are going to use a little bit of the darker shade and then mix everything together. So we are going to take this Rip. It's a nice chocolate brown kind of a color, and we are going to make a little bit crease line. We need to take at least 3 to 4 times product and blend, and we have to make sure that it's properly blend. Now we are going to use a second shade for this look. This is a normal blending brush, just the circle point. We're taking this classic, which is a darker shade. We need some dark shade. This will help us to give a little bit more look. You have to be very careful while applying this because it will be too much for the eyes. I am going to use a little bit of the cut crease thing for my eyes today. I'm thinking for this concealer on my beauty blender because I don't want too much product on my eyes. Now I had put a little bit concealer and blend this portion. Just applying one more time, making sure it's there. We are going to use this shade, which is so beautiful. I'll show you. Fennel. It's a nice transition shade. Directly applying on my eyelid. This pink one, we are going to take that in a small blending brush, which is Quartz. I like their brushes, it's not too expensive. Now this one, we are going to go all over the eyelid just to get a little pinky tone in our eye. We have a great base with that whole brown tone, so this is going to give you the more of an eye pop with the color which you want. I'll add a lashes in some time, but I am going to use this first eyeliner from Maybelline. This is tattoo eyeliner. I love the precise tip. fallouts removed from here and make this sharp edge. I am going to use this Rene. It's a Kajal pencil Midnight. Once it's done, we are going to use a mascara. This mascara is my new mascara. I like it. At the same time, I don't like it. It's so for the base, I am going to use Nika. Wrap Me Up. This is my favorite. The reason this is my favorite, this is my second bottle and I'm still liking it. It's inexpensive, it's not too high range, but it works like magic. It's a silicone base, so I just love it, especially to my nose area. The eyes are not done. We are going to go back and do some stuff over there. I know this video is long because I want you to see every step how it works, because the videos I used to make, it was so short and quick. Some of the people don't even understand what is happening, so that's the reason we did this. So primer is soaking in. We are going to use a Maybelline foundation that is up to 30 hours Lumi-Matte foundation. My shade is 128. Just placing it first and then blending it. It's a very medium to low coverage. It's not a full coverage foundation. So if you want on a concealer, we are using a two concealer. One is both are the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. There are two different shades I'm using. One is almond and one is beige. Beige I'll put in the first half and the almond in the second half. Beige is a little lighter shade and almond is a bit like little dark. It's not really dark. So first here. Keep it here, not in the end straight. Kai Beauty Contour Highlighter Pro Palette. It has the one which I'm using, it's Contour Genius. So this is the lighter shade which we are going to use to, I like how it's going to set my eye. See, it's so easy to set. You don't need to bake anything. I do bake, but very rare. It's just going to pack this thing. Now we are going to use this shade, which is my contour shade. There is no shade name mentioned, so I can't say. It's from Kai Beauty. So you can see how sharp we can go. This is like quite precise. We can like go like this for my nose. You can use brush, but I really want to have a blend. I'm going to use a cream blush first. This one is from Kai Beauty. First we'll dry in the hand because I didn't use. This is the first time I'm actually going to use this round brush from Mars 01. I don't know where did we end last. I was trying to blend my, yeah, I had blend this, but it was too much for my face, so I did a little bit of beauty blender and lightly tap so that it becomes a little light. This is like fit me a very pinky tone which will work for us today. I'm going to use the same brush, just going to coat nicely. It's nice, it has a little shimmer which is amazing for our festive look. Just going to place here. You can see, oh my god, this is definitely going to be my new favorite lash. It has that dewy look, which I like it. Now we are going to use a highlighter. For highlighter, highlighter is a key for the festive look, guys. I like it how it looks now. We are coming to the close ending. I am super excited. We'll do the lipstick and then we'll go back to the eyes. Maybelline lipstick, oh my goodness. This one is Sensation Liquid Matte. The shade name is Nude something. It's a nice color. I like this brown tone. Now we are going to go back to the eyes and we're doing something for the under eye. We are going to use a little bit of this shade, which is the brown shade which we use as the first base. If you feel it's a little light for you, you can take this shade. Now we are going to use a tiny brush. It's a nail art brush. I like this tiny brush thing. And we are going to take, I think so we'll take this crown on the brush and put it in the corner. This makeup look is so festive, you have no idea, I just love it. Now we are going to fix this makeup with Maybelline Fit Me. Oh my god, trust me, we use so many of Maybelline products. Comment down and let me know. So this is Matte Plus Pro Minus, which is so good. It tights your skin like crazy. The makeup stays. I love this thing. It's so nice in that way. Just going to add a lashes and show you my complete look. So this is my complete makeup look. I just love this makeup look. What do you think? It took time. I think so definitely it took around 45 minutes to 1 hour, but once the result is there, you can take pictures. It's going to be a perfect makeup look for you. You don't need to use too many products to achieve a beautiful makeup look. You just need to have the same thing, but with the intensity you have to increase. When it's like if you're putting 1 layer of foundation, you have to do 2 layers. You have to add a little highlighter, a little bit more of a pink rose or a blush according to your thing, and there is like you can add lashes if you want to add something for your festive look. You don't need to go too extra for too many things. You can just achieve a beautiful look with the minimum makeup look too. I'll show you that next time. Thank you guys for watching this makeup look. If you really liked it, give me a thumbs up. I'll see you next time.